Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss biological classification top 50 multiple choice questions. 1. In Whittaker's 5 kingdom classification, all the prokaryotic organisms are grouped under blank. A. Monera. B. Protista. C. Fungi. D. Animalia. Answer. A. Monera. 2. In Whittaker's 5 kingdom classification, all the unicellular organisms are categorized under blank. A. Protista. B. Monera. C. Porifera. D. Animals. Answer. C. Porifera. 3. Which among the following are incorrect? A. Whittaker's classification managed to consider cell structure, nature of the cell wall, mode of nutrition and method of reproduction. B. In two kingdom classification, all the fungi and algae are forcefully made to join Animalia. C. Whittaker's classification is polyphyletic and so failed to group similar organism under the same kingdom. D. Whittaker's classification didn't include viruses. Answer. B. In two kingdom classification, all the fungi and algae are forcefully made to join Animalia. 4. Which among the following don't contain nuclear membrane? A. Monera. B. Protista. C. Fungi. D. Animalia. Answer. A. Monera. 5. Cell wall in fungi is made up of blank. A. Chitin. B. Cellulose. C. Amino acids. D. Proteins. Answer. A. Chitin. 6. Which among the following is incorrect about cyanobacteria? A. The word cyano means greenish-blue because of which cyanobacteria is also called as blue-green algae. B. The color of cyanobacteria is due to presence of chlorophyll. C. Cyanobacteria are chemosynthetic autotrophs. D. Cyanobacteria help in enriching oxygen levels in the atmosphere. Answer. C. Cyanobacteria are chemosynthetic autotrophs. 7. In chemosynthetic autotrophs, energy to prepare food is obtained from blank. A. Light energy. B. Chemical energy. C. Bioenergy. D. Thermal energy. Answer. B. Chemical energy. 8. Methanogens are present in the blank. A. Mouth of cow. B. Guts of cow. C. Respiratory system of cow. D. Ribs of a cow. Answer. B. Guts of cow. 9. E. coli is a rod-shaped bacterium present in blank. A. Digestive tract of humans. B. Respiratory tract of humans. C. Urogenital tract of humans. D. Excretory tract of humans. Answer. A. Digestive tract of humans. 10. Which among the following is incorrect about lactobacilli? A. These are rod-shaped bacteria. B. These are the bacteria responsible for turning milk into curd. C. These are parasites. D. They are also useful in industries for fermentation of wine. Answer. C. These are parasites. 11. Which among the following are incorrect about mycoplasma? A. It has rigid cell wall. B. It adopts parasitic mode of nutrition. C. It is present in urogenital tract and in rare cases, in blood smears. D. Mycoplasma is extremely small in size. Answer. A. It has rigid cell wall. 12. Cell wall in diatoms is made of blank. A. Chitin. B. Pectin. C. Silica. D. Cellulose. Answer. C. Silica. 13. Dinoflagellates contain blank. A. Two flagella with both being transversal. B. Two flagella with both being longitudinal. C. Two flagella with lone being longitudinal and other being transversal. D. Three flagella with one being along x-axis, other being along y-axis and the third one being along z-axis. Answer. C. Two flagella with lone being longitudinal and other being transversal. 14. Which among the following is responsible for the red tide? A. Goniulex. B. Oudinium. C. Noctiluca. D. Golden algae. Answer. A. Goniulex. 15. Diatomaceous earth can be used as a pest control because blank. A. It is porous. B. It contains silica which is poisonous for pests when eaten and therefore they die. C. It snatches out lipids from the outermost waxy layer of pests called cuticle and makes them dry which results in their death. D. It acts as anesthesia when given in minor quantities but pests die when large quantities are intaken. Answer. C. It snatches out lipids from the outermost waxy layer of pests called cuticle and makes them dry which results in their death. 16. Which among the following comprises animal-like protists? A. Protozoans. B. Chrysophytes. C. Slime molds. D. Dinoflagellates. Answer. A. Protozoans. 17. Diet of store fooders, blank. A. Starch. B. Glucose. C. Oil. D. Fructose. Answer. C. Oil. 18. What is red tide? A. Accumulation of cell wall deposits of red algae is called red tide. B. Accumulation of red blood cells in water. C. Coloration of water due to rapid multiplication of red dinoflagellates. D. Spread of chrysophytes due to rapid reproduction. Answer. C. Coloration of water due to rapid multiplication of red dinoflagellates. 19. Which among the following belong to plankton? A. Dinoflagellates. B. Chrysophytes. C. Euglenoids. D. Protozoans. Answer. B. Chrysophytes. 20. Which among the following are incorrect statements? A. Slime molds feed on bacteria, yeast and fungi and have amoeba-like food ingestion. B. The pigments in Euglena are identical to that of higher plants. C. Slime molds reproduce either by forming an aggregate called plasmodium or by spore formation. D. All the other protists except slime molds have cell wall. Answer. D. All the other protists except slime molds have cell wall. 21. Which among the following are incorrect about the reproduction in slime molds? A. During favorable conditions, slime molds form an aggregation called plasmodium which may grow and spread over several feet. B. Under favorable conditions, slime molds form fruiting bodies bearing spores at their tips which then get dispersed through air currents. C. The spores possess true walls that is resistant to adverse conditions. D. Slime molds reproduce either by sexual or by asexual reproduction. Answer. B. Under favorable conditions, slime molds form fruiting bodies bearing spores at their tips which then get dispersed through air currents. 22. Slime molds grow on, blank. A. Oceans. B. Fresh water. C. Dead and decay matter. D. Hills. Answer. C. Dead and decay matter. 23. Euglenoids are flexible due to, blank. A. Pellicle. B. Pectin. C. Chitin. D. Cortex. Answer. A. Pellicle. 24. Pseudopodia help amoeboids in, blank. A. Locomotion. B. Ingestion of food. C. Locomotion and ingestion of food. D. Performing metabolic reactions. Answer. C. Locomotion and ingestion of food. 25. Sleeping sickness is due to, blank. A. Trypanosoma. B. Entamoeba histolytica. C. Noctiluca. D. Golden algae. Answer. A. Trypanosoma. 26. Which among the following are saprophytic protists? A. Euglenoids. B. Protozoans. C. Dinoflagellates. D. Slime molds. Answer. D. Slime molds. 27. Amoebiasis is caused due to, blank. A. Amoeba proteus. B. Entamoeba histolytica. C. Chaos carolinans. D. Trypanosoma. Answer. B. Entamoeba histolytica. 28. Why do you think that food is protected from fungi when stored in the refrigerator? A. Fungi doesn't grow in warm conditions. B. Refrigerator provides dry and cold conditions that don't let fungi grow. C. Refrigerator contains CFC gas that is toxic and doesn't let fungi to grow. D. Since the device works with electricity which doesn't let fungus to grow. Answer. B. Refrigerator provides dry and cold conditions that don't let fungi grow. 29. Which among the following statements are incorrect? A. Some parasitic fungi can cause disease in humans. B. Lichens are an example of obligative symbiosis. C. Lice in humans are example for endosymbiosis. D. Cell wall of fungi is made of polysaccharides. Answer. C. Lice in humans are example for endosymbiosis. 30. Budding is, blank. A. Sexual mode of reproduction. B. An asexual mode of reproduction where an outgrowth from the parent splits to form the daughter organism. C. An asexual mode of reproduction where the parent organism splits into fragments and then develops into a new organism. D. An asexual mode of reproduction where cytoplasm and nuclei splits into two equal parts to form two daughter nuclei. Answer. B. An asexual mode of reproduction where an outgrowth from the parent splits to form the daughter organism. 31. During reproduction of fungus through fragmentation, blank. A. Mycelium separates into pieces which in turn form new one. B. Germ cells separate into pieces which in turn form new one. C. Zoospores are formed which further germinates to form new mycelium. D. Zygospores are formed which further germinates to form new mycelium. Answer. A. Mycelium separates into pieces which in turn form new one. 32. Which among the following is incorrect about Dicarion? A. Dicarion is formed by fusion of two nuclei. B. Dicarion is haploid nuclei formed due to fusion of two nuclei. C. It further undergoes meiosis to form haploid cells. D. Dicarion is formed only during adverse environmental conditions. Answer. B. Dicarion is haploid nuclei formed due to fusion of two nuclei. 33. Lichens are blank. A. Symbiotic existence of blue-green algae and fungi. B. Symbiotic existence of Rhizobium bacteria in the roots of leguminous plants. C. Coexistence of coral reef with zooxanthellae. D. Existence of mycorrhiza along with leguminous plants. Answer. A. Symbiotic existence of blue-green algae and fungi. 34. Which among the following statements are incorrect about fungi? A. All the fungi are multicellular organisms except yeast. B. Fungi are heterotrophic and are either parasitic or saprophytic. C. Fungi prefer cold, dry conditions to grow. D. Fungi are immobile and this is the major difference between slime molds and that of fungi. Answer. C. Fungi prefer cold, dry conditions to grow. 35. Which among the following are incorrect about Phycomycetes? A. Phycomycetes are aseptate fungi and are coenocytic. B. Phycomycetes are also called as algal fungi. C. Zygospores are formed due to isogamous fertilization and zoospores are formed due to anisogamous fertilization. D. Phycomycetes are also called as conjugation fungi. Answer. C. Zygospores are formed due to isogamous fertilization and zoospores are formed due to anisogamous fertilization. 36. Which among the following is incorrect about Ascomycetes? A. Mycelium in Ascomycetes is septate and coenocytic. B. Ascomycetes are also called sac fungi. C. Asexual spores in Ascomycetes are called as conidia and are produced exogenously by conidiocarps. D. Sexual spores in Ascomycetes are called as ascospores and are produced endogenously by ascocarps. Answer. A. Mycelium in Ascomycetes is septate and coenocytic. 37. Which among the following statements are incorrect? A. Asexual spores are formed due to mitosis. B. Bracket fungi are an example of Ascomycetes. C. Basidiomycetes produce sexual spores called basidiospores exogenously in Basidium. D. Deuteromycetes reproduce asexually by conidia. Answer. B. Bracket fungi are an example of Ascomycetes. 38. Which among the following is incorrect about Basidiomycetes? A. Basidiomycetes is also called as club fungi. B. Basidiomycetes grow on soil, tree logs and plants. C. Muco, Puccina and puffballs are examples of Basidiomycetes. D. Basidiospores are sexual spores in Basidiomycetes. Answer. C. Muco, Puccina and puffballs are examples of Basidiomycetes. 39. Puccina is also called as blank. A. Mustard fungi. B. Rust fungi. C. Bracket fungi. D. Bread mold. Answer. B. Rust fungi. 40. Scientific name of common mushroom is blank. A. Albugo. B. Agaricus bisporus. C. Stolonifer. D. Muscidae. Answer. B. Agaricus bisporus. 41. Viruses that infect bacteria are called as blank. A. Bacteriophages. B. Viral bacterium. C. Nucleocapsid. D. Bacteriocene. Answer. A. Bacteriophages. 42. Why are viruses not included in any of the 5 kingdoms? A. There are already more than thousands of organisms in the 5 kingdoms and hence, no space to include viruses. B. Viruses are not living organisms. C. Viruses reproduce rapidly which is in fact weird and therefore they are not classified under any of the 5 kingdoms. D. Viruses are so small that they can't be studied. Answer. B. Viruses are not living organisms. 43. Viruses are an example of blank. A. Obligate parasites. B. Facultative parasites. C. Commensalism. D. Ectoparasites. Answer. A. Obligate parasites. 44. Who proved that viruses are crystalline-like structures? A. W. M. Stanley. B. Ivanovsky. C. M. W. Bajaranek. D. Lavoisier. Answer. B. Ivanovsky. 45. Which among the following are incorrect about viruses? A. Viruses are acellular. B. Viruses are smaller than bacterium. C. Viruses can perform all of their metabolic activities except reproduction when outside a living host. D. Viruses are non-living organisms. Answer. C. Viruses can perform all of their metabolic activities except reproduction when outside a living host. 46. The word virus means blank. A. Venom. B. Proliferate. C. Change. D. Tremendous. Answer. A. Venom. 47. Which among the following is not a difference between viruses and viroids? A. Viruses contain DNA whereas viroids don't contain DNA. B. Viruses contain protein coat whereas viroids don't contain protein coat. C. Viruses contain RNA whereas viroids don't contain RNA. D. Viruses are found in bacteria, animals and plants but viroids only in plants. Answer. A. Viruses contain DNA whereas viroids don't contain DNA. 48. Lichens are indicators of pollution because blank. A. They grow in oxygen-depleted regions. B. They don't grow in polluted regions. C. They grow in polluted regions. D. Their growth indicates that the region has very high carbon levels. Answer. B. They don't grow in polluted regions. 49. The fungal portion in lichens is known as blank. A. Mycobionte. B. Ficobionte. C. Capsibionte. D. Deuterobionte. Answer. A. Mycobionte. 50. Who discovered viroids? A. T.O. Diener. B. Alexander Fleming. C. W.M. Stanley. D. Robert Hooke. Answer. A. T.O. Diener. Thank you. And please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.